Imagine a vehicle so small, so unexpected, that it turns every sidewalk into a campground and every curious glance into a conversation starter. This isn't science fiction, it's real, it's raw, and it's rolling right into the future. Welcome to the 2027 Kevin Sear Camper Tricycle RV, an invention that's rewriting the rules of what mobile living can be. At first glance, it looks like an art installation or a prop from a dystopian movie. But take a closer look, and you'll see it's a fully functional, pedal-powered camper designed to carry everything you need to survive on the road, or even off it. In a world where rent prices keep rising and urban spaces grow more crowded, this odd-looking contraption may just be the future of freedom. Kevin Sear, the genius behind this rolling micro-home, has long been known for pushing boundaries. He doesn't just design campers, he challenges the entire idea of what a home can be. And in 2027, he's taken his most radical concept yet and made it even more resilient, more compact, and more thought-provoking. This is not just a camper. It's a cultural statement. It's part protest, part practicality, and 100% creative rebellion. So what exactly are you getting with this futuristic tricycle RV? Imagine a steel-framed bicycle chassis reinforced for durability, complete with solar panels mounted on the roof. The camper shell, handcrafted, beautifully strange, is made from lightweight materials but can endure harsh conditions. Inside, there's enough room for a bed, storage compartments, a fold-out table, and even a tiny cooking space. It may not be luxury, but it's liberation. And here's the twist, this isn't built for the highways. It's built for the alleys, the bike paths, and the urban jungle. No gas, no charging stations, no expensive repairs. Just you, the road, and a vision of simplicity that's becoming more attractive in an increasingly complex world. For those facing housing insecurity, this concept goes beyond quirky, it becomes survival. Imagine having a home you can take anywhere, without paying rent, without being tied to a system that doesn't support you. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifeline. With cities around the world seeing a spike in homelessness and unaffordable housing, the Kevin Sear Tricycle Camper becomes more than just a statement, it becomes a solution. And let's be honest, this thing turns heads. Wherever it goes, it sparks conversations. People stop. They stare. They ask questions. It's an invitation to rethink everything we assume about travel, shelter, and self-sufficiency. It's raw, real, and refreshingly honest in a world dominated by shiny, overbuilt luxury. Now imagine riding this camper into a sunset, no fuel cost, no reservations, no stress. You've got shelter, you've got mobility, and you've got complete freedom on 3 wheels. You're not stuck in traffic, you're bypassing it. You're not searching for a hotel, you're already home. This is the kind of living that challenges norms and empowers individuals to take control of their lives, no matter how small the space. Kevin Sear didn't just build a tricycle with a box on it. He built a movement, one that's slowly gaining traction among artists, adventurers, minimalists, and people who simply want more with less. Whether you're fascinated by tiny homes, exploring off-grid lifestyles, or just someone tired of the rat race, this camper hits different. So next time you see a futuristic little tricycle RV pedaling down the street, don't laugh. Take a moment. That tiny box on wheels might just hold the future inside it. And who knows, maybe that future belongs to you.